Alright everyone, welcome back. So you can see right here on the screen is a $1,000 Forex account which I'll be showing you process on how to claim it. Every single steps I'll be giving you the terms and conditions. All you just need to do is to pay attention to every single details I'll be showing in this video. Now one advice I'll be giving you as a Forex trader is that don't trade Forex except you've actually learned Forex. So for those who are just seeing this video for the first time, I'm Daniel Light. Kindly click on the subscription button to subscribe to the channel. That's one big way of saying thank you to this hard work I'm actually putting to making sure everyone gets a free capital to trade the live market, and you can at the same time you can actually make withdrawals from them. So give the video a like. So without wasting time, let's dive into the terms and conditions for the $1,000 account we should be talking about today. So you can see right here on the screen the reward distribution. For the first place, you'll be getting a $2,000 account with a $2,000 reward. The second place will be getting a $1,500 reward, while the third place will be getting a $1,250 reward. From the fourth to the 10th place will be getting $450 reward each, while 11th to the 40th place will be getting $250 each. The 41st to the 70th place will be getting $150 each, while the 71st person to the 100th person will be getting a $100 reward. So this right here is the reward distribution of what you'll be getting if you actually get top 100 of those who actually pass this account without losing 20% of the capital we should be getting. So click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section. It brings you right here to this broker that says XM. Now you can see right here, this is the name of the broker which will be giving us the $1,000 free Forex account. So right here, once you click on, if you don't see any three lines at the top right here, click on this XM logo, this right here at the top, click on it, then it loads us to the main menu where you'll be able to see three lines at the top of our screen, which will be giving us more options to actually proceed to either creating an account or logging in to the account. So right here, once you click on the logo, on the XM logo, you click on it, then it shows this next interface where you have the option of these three lines on the screen right here. So clicking on the three lines, then it brings every details like this, the trading discovery, and right here you see get started beneath and login. Now for those who have an account with them, you click on login and then you log in into your account, and for those who don't have an account yet, click on get started, follow the procedure and create an account with them, submit your details for verification and make sure you get verified. So I'm actually going to be clicking on login to log in into my account with them right here. So for those who have an account, click on login and come to this section right here that has email and password. Input your details into these boxes right here for the email and your password. Put in your details correctly and then click on login. Now immediately you click on login, you have to verify with an authentication, which will be sent a code, which they will send the code into our email address. Now let's say a code has been sent to my email address. I don't need to go straight to my email, copy the code. You can see the notification up at the top of my screen right here. Copy the code, come back into this box right here, into the boxes right here, paste it and then click on verify the code. Now once I verify the code, I'll be logged in into the site. Now I've been logged in right here. You can see every single details showing on the screen. Now see, I've been verified at the top. Your account is verified. So all we need to do is to come to this last icon that says more, is what you click on without wasting time. You can take your time to explore the site, but you explore the app, but clicking on more right here will take us to where we'll be able to claim the $1,000 free Forex account. So click on more, you can see every single detail, but right here that says competition is where we're actually heading to. So you click on competition, then wait for it to load, and then it shows details like this on the screen. So without wasting time, click on find competition, because there are different type of competition under that aspect that says competition. So click on find competition, then it shows you the list of available competition which you can actually participate in. So there are some which you actually need to pay to participate, and there are some which you can actually participate to either backtest, to do some backtest and stuff, and there are also some which you can actually participate for free, and it occurs every week. This competition right here happens every week. So you can see right here, this one that says free entry is what you click on. This right here that says demo weekly, and is what you click on. So you can see this one that says paid demo, which you need to pay at least $5 to be able to participate in that. So you click on this one that says free entry. Immediately you click on it, it takes you to this next part, having details like this on your screen. Alright, so in this next part, you get to see full details about this competition right here. So to proceed, you can just click on start competition, but let's take this few seconds to take a look at more information which you can actually get about this competition right here, about this account. So if you scroll up a little bit, you see the total number of people that have actually participated and those that are active, or why those that have actually been disqualified. Now, to get disqualified, you would get disqualified if you actually lose 20% of the account, which is $200 from the $1,000, which is actually going to be given to us. You get disqualified if you lose $20 from the account. So right here is the list of everyone active in the competition right here. So you can now actually, once you participate in it, you can actually come to this section to take a look at your progress to know where you have actually gotten to in the competition. So right there, once you click on start competition, it shows details like this. There's a small box right here in front of this right here of this place. Is what you click on to agree to the terms and conditions, then join the competition. Immediately you click on join, this right here will be shown on your screen that says success, which means you have actually been added to the competition and you'll be given a live account just like this, which you can actually just start trading. So don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Any aspect you don't understand, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you get notified anytime I drop updates on Forex deposit bonus and stuff like this. Have a nice day, guys. Welcome everyone. Now to everyone seeing this video right now, this right here is an open trade which I placed on this account which I got, and you can see this right here, meaning if you actually sign up right now, follow the steps which I'll be showing in this video, you'll be able to get the free account and you'll be able to open place trade immediately. Now right here I was given a $50 deposit free Forex account which I was able to trade, and it has a lot of details which you need to pay attention, follow my steps, and I'll be showing you how to get yours. Now right here, click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section. The link takes you to my Telegram channel. Right there you'll be seeing the link to the broker which will be giving you the free $50 bonus account. Now with this account you'll be able to trade and you'll be able to open order just like I did right here. Now let's right here on the screen is the price reward which you'll be getting if you actually get to the top 5 of those who actually qualify for this bonus right here. So for the first prize you'll be getting a $3,000 reward, and the second prize will be getting a $2,000 reward, while the third prize will be getting a $1,000 reward, and the fourth person will be getting a $500 reward, and while the fifth person will be getting a $250 as reward. Now for the requirements you actually need to meet with right here. If you scroll up a little bit, you get to see where this place that says rules. Now see right here, these are the rules which you actually need to meet with to be able to get these prices. Now right here, firstly, no EAs, robot use. You are not allowed to use robot to trade, and lot size maximum which is 0.10 per order. Now maximum number of open orders which is open and pending. If you have either a buy limit, sell limit, any of the limits, and the open orders in total, everything should not be more than 5. While the FX, metals, and index fund trade only, you're only allowed to trade FX, metal, and index fund. Now the minimum you need to have a minimum of 10 active trading days for you to be qualified for the rewards. Now these are the important details you need to meet with. Now go straight to clicking on the link in the Telegram channel, while the link will bring you to our home page right here, just like this. Now you'll be having something like this on your screen, and you just need to click on open live account right here. Now once you click on open live account, you see firstly you need to actually fill in your personal information by inputting your first name, your middle name, your last name. Select the country where you're actually registering from and the dialing code for the mobile phone number, and you put in your mobile phone number right here beside it. Now you put in your email address, create a password, confirm the new password, and once you click on this place, how did you hear about Plexi Trade? You can either choose YouTube or any of this information right here. Now once you're done filling these details, click on continue, and make sure don't forget you need to select individual for this aspect. Now you select individual, and the next thing you need to do, once you click on continue, you'll be brought to this second place right here where you need to fill in your address information. And once that is done, you click on continue just like you did right here. You'll be brought to this third place right here to fill in your trading account information, which is the account which you actually be opening a trading account with them. Now once all these details is done, you'll be asked to link the account with an authenticator, which is a very simple step. You just need to copy the address right in the authenticator and take it to your authenticator app, and then you'll be linked, a code will be linked anytime you want to log in, like just like this. If I want to log in right now, if I click on login, see two-factor authenticator, I cannot actually log in without the authenticator. You can see it right here. Now I'll just go straight to my authenticator, copy the code generated in the authenticator, and come back to this place to paste it. Now once that is done, something like this, you click on continue, and you click on continue and then wait for it to load, and immediately you'll be logged in into the files right here. Now you can see my balance right here, which is also the same thing in the MT5 which I showed at the beginning of this video. Now you click on competition in this section right here, and then you'll be asked to actually agree to the terms and condition. Immediately you click on this small box right here to agree to the terms and condition. You'll be able to click on enter competition, and immediately you do that, you'll be asked to fill in, to select the account type you want, either MT4 or MT5. And once that is done, you click on enter, and login details will be sent to your email, just like showing you every details you actually need to log into your MT5, either MT5 or MT4, depending on the one you chose. So giving you every details you need to log into your MT5 right here like this. Now copy these details, go straight to your MT5, and the first thing right here, you select Plexi Trade for the name of the server, and once you get to this section, you put in the details which was sent to your email into this box, and you click on login, and you should be having this right here. You'll be having this in your balance, this $50 right here in your balance, going straight to trade. Now without any hindrance, I'm sure everyone understands the terms and conditions which I actually explained in the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and turn on your notification so you get notified anytime I drop updates like this and how to get free forex bonus. Have a nice day, guys.